kupata muuzaji wa jiko lililoboreshwa aliye karibu nawe. Ujumbe huu umeletwa kwenu na Wizara ya Kawi na Petroli na washirika wenza.
Getembe Television, Ekeonga, Kiamamogo.
Wasomi ya wechi tariki 13 mutienyo 11 mwaka wechi 2024 chinga kichingia kigima kironi ariganiri nkoretire Ekeonga Chinsa Isano na Ibere senchira yo bwenge unagendete gwatika kurase Chinsemo anemono kurase county ya Kisii ngo gose chingongo chonsi karansoike kumanya butantanu wondo bwensi botayonche Cynthia Kiru. Abona niga barandia akurase chikanisa abomera na asomo bugani mwime umucho bosongo iri gukwanira anemono murubiri obo kwarigani musangirekano yomo ime eye county ya Kisii iri gusabira NC ya Kenya na bigo county ya Kisii bona chinga kechecho bose bakoragwa amono mo pastor we kanisa mo bishop kefa omai we kanisa ya Redeemed nigo bona babolia aba Kenya rwega bagusigo sabira NC ya Kenya no bigo county ya Kisii.
La rontono moko maneke kima kunya bagini waito korwa Ekeonga Shine the World obayo usito ya bere nemijande menge abantu bakwengenta marera mange abantu bange baranya lingana Nyasaye wetase Ekeonga Shine the World tomenga Nyasaye jo jenja gusi kunya korebe gusi yenge mono na kukinia otola kwa gusi ose mangana ke Nyasaye jo gusi eko era mbara bataba unleashed bagini wetase Ekeonga Shine the World ndono mananga Nyasaye jo chenja gusi
ya abaminto abagusi baito esmotegerete na ndesmoko ligere kurwase mwikaransete igona no common sana on behalf au kaniaba yaba randi bonspi abagusi eswale ime ya Kenya na isko ya Kenya in the diaspora asengenjo yaba minto kurwa America a ministry kwa Shine in the World Ministries ekokole minimo pamoja na a ministry ekoko World Apostolic Network asoko chamo kolengana namasabo asabirwe ase miaka ya etire abaminto basabire abakoli emerebo ya tata abapastor baito ababishop
and we are saying the time for Kisii is now. We are not a church, we are a Christian evangelistic mission working around the world, pieces of a bishop, and we
are kitenena na abana pisa ekyagera amatemo gokora na alia ya masomo mwasomire ebitabu mwaligireirie na inde ali mwahorokereiriwe class na aromojiko translate as exam igomo wasikobo mo wasiko panic na inde balibako ngainereria ngamate munare akoniwa kaki tamakuru ororo ekyagera okuno gusapotage e future y'abana baito yigato kubasabira amaya buna barandia ngo babikira turamasabo na kweyena Nyasaye nabae obubwi bwa bene asedete ya Yesu Kristo.
Kutikana na roboti urubono nigo litkolia lero simambia lero mu waziri bw'ekisemi Muske Julius Migosi ugamba anyala kubaga kurao kwera no kwa matemo SE ate obisi mu county commissioner bwense ya Kabete yugutoka ime county ya Kiambu abwase gukwanekera linge kubaganiria aboroki wabakeki wanira mangana mangi manane mangana yobolindi osemero bole yabeki kwene kibina matemo asinchira yobwikirano na chinga kechecho bwegani nyara ko bakago kwanere merubulio anene mono igoro yo kwagacho kwebirasi nabo kwana no kwebitabu ekero chiskuru chigo chikigoro mwaka 2025.
Take this opportunity first and foremost to thank all of you, the whole team, for the good work that you are doing. Because as the Commissioner said, this is one of those counties that we've not had any incidences. We haven't had any incidences because you've adhered to the rules and regulations that we gave you, the briefs that you've been giving, and the teamwork that you've exhibited from all our agencies that are working together. That teamwork is what is going to ensure that we will deliver a credible examination this year. As I have said before, our students do not need our help in terms of exam malpractice for them to get the grade that they deserve. And inform the Kenyans and the whole country that we are undertaking this examination under very strict regulations, and any malpractice, any attempts are being handled, and most of them are actually being handled before they occur because of the agency approach that we are using, where we have teams in the ground, and the teams are able to identify certain practices before they happen. And because of that, we are able to
asogokorera mano nigensi ya Kenya yagwatiranire ne Chinsa chinde cha Africa iligokonya gusikubatisya rugongo rwa Africa kobekerwa nsemo chisiringi chitrini emyeyemo na mirongo 5 no mone Isano na Isato nuguta isa M3 mano nigo gokwana se omoje gundireta waziri bensi ya Kenya uske Musalia Mudavadi nigatebno muchando bwate tomonene ase bwate Chinsa chio kwegendereria nigo ukore ugotaikira nigo wechire cyo chikorwega ne Chinsa chinde
was to transform the climate narrative from the usual blame game to a win-win situation for mankind on the planet. The bold commitments in Nairobi have since been translated into some 4 key initiatives. First, the accelerated partnership for renewables in Africa. Second, have the Africa Climate Smart Agriculture Alliance that brings together governments, research institutions, and the development community to promote sustainable farming practices, provide farmers with tools.